Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my November Boxycharm, and the box got a little beat up in transit. I was a little worried when it showed up on my doorstep. But if you'd like to see what I got, like to see a try on, just keep watching. I peeked in my box, I'm gonna admit it, because I wanted to see what I could try on for you so that if we got any makeup products, we could play with them right now. And I'll keep you posted on the skincare products or any other products that they sent me. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription box that comes every month. There are different levels. There's base, there's premium. I believe occasionally there's luxe. I get the smallest one. I get the $25 box. You get 5 full-sized items, either beauty or skincare, delivered to your door every month. You do get to choose one item. And my favorite part is the pop-up shop that they have every month, where you can go in and you can purchase items at an extreme discount. So I love that. I take advantage of that every single month. And today we are going to see what they sent me for November. Here is the card that they send you. And by the way, I will have the link for Boxycharm in the description box. This is not a sponsored video, but you can go to that link and check it out. Let's see, the card says invite only, and they are having an annual holiday blowout sale right now where there's up to 80% off of retail, so yay for that. Get a free gift. So fun, but on the back here, they list everything that is in the box. And I'm gonna go through the non-makeup items first. The first item is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser is what we've got here. A gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Its enhanced non-foaming creamy formula removes makeup dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. It is valued at $40. So I have never tried a Kate Somerville product. I think I may have some in my skincare stash, but cleanser is something that I do go through. The bottle is beautiful. That is really pretty, and it's a nice big size. It's 4 ounces. So for sure, I will use that. Sounds great. The next product that is in here is the Greengrass Cardamom Lavender Foaming Body Scrub. That's what this one looks like. And it is sexy, rich, and luxe. The softest of woody notes blended with cardamom, coffee, lavender, and bergamot envelop senses like a fine cashmere wrap. A revitalizing 2-in-1 lightly foaming gel-based scrub that exfoliates, cleanses, and hydrates dry skin to reveal softer, smoother, and brighter looking skin. This one retails for $24. This one I will not use. I get very concerned about body washes. I use a very sensitive, non-fragranced body wash. I've used scented body washes in the past that have made me very itchy. So comment below if you have this, if you tried this. If not, it will most likely be regifted or in a future giveaway, if that sounds wonderful to you. The next product is from Tan-Luxe, and it is the Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self-Tan Serum. It's the first hyaluronic superfood self-tan serum, your best skin day ever, bottled. It combines a high-weight hyaluronic acid and extremely low molecular weight sodium hyaluronate. This enables multi-level instant and lasting hydrations, leaving skin feeling firmer and more radiant. With 4% DHA tanning actives for daily use, this innovative formula is derived from organic, it says rapeseed oil, is that a typo? Plus 7 superfoods. This is valued at $49. And you open this up, and this is what is inside. So this is what it looks like. Let me know if you have used this. I have never used this. I will have to read the directions. I'm assuming it's a self-tanner, but it's gonna firm and it's gonna make you glow, and sounds like fun. Now for the makeup items. We did get 2 I would prefer more, but 2 out of the 5 are makeup items, and this one is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset palette. Let's open up this baby. I do have a couple Violet Voss in my collection, and I do like her formula. This is what it looks like. The box looks just like the same as on the outside, and ooh, this came out. And these are the shades. Looks very pretty. Looks like we have some pretty neutrals, some peaches, some purples, some darker shades if you want to deepen out that outer corner. It looks just right up my alley, and I'm looking at the shimmers. Shimmers look pretty good, pretty good. So we're going to play with that, and that one is valued at $37. And then the last item is probably the item I'm most excited about because I've heard really good things about it. This is the Blinc Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara is a clean and vegan formula, gives you an ultra long wearing buildable false lash effect with a semi-matte finish. Its therapeutic elastomer brush is eye-shaped with dynamic spacing and super soft fibers to give you dramatic volume and length, valued at $26. Let's go ahead and put these on my face. I did prime my eyes, I did curl my lashes, so I am ready. Now the question is, I'm a very neutral palette. What shades do we go with? Do we go with more of the purples or more of the, you know, I haven't done a bold eye look in a long time. I'm gonna go into this purple. I'm probably going to deepen it with a little bit of this dusk, and then I'm gonna put this on the lid. So let's go ahead and jump into that. I'm going to start with a Zoeva 231, and I'm going to go into this sunset color, which is a nice mid-tone peach. This shadow is a little pinker than I was anticipating. I was thinking it was going to be more peach. I think what I'll do is I'll take some of this desert sand, which is a very light brown, and I'm going to use a different brush, and I'm going to deepen that peach a little bit. A little more peach than pink. There. I see the difference. I like it. I have no complaints. This looks beautiful. Let me go ahead and take a smaller brush, and I'm gonna mix these two colors and put them on the bottom lash line. Now I want to incorporate some of this purple, so I'm going to go into this lilac shade and put this on the lid. Do need to build it up a little bit, which I don't mind. It started a little more sheer, and now it's getting a little more opaque. I'm going to go into this dusk and deepen out that outer corner a bit. Very nice, blended well. I do want to get into this violet sunset shimmer, so I'm going to put a little bit of that towards the inner corner. That's pretty. A little more pink again. If you like pinky purples, you will like this, but I do really. I'm drawn to this color. I don't know who I am. I'm gonna take that flat brush and that lilac and just go over the center again, because I feel I don't want to lose it between that dark on the outer and that bright on the inner. Just going right over the center where that was. Ooh, I think that's nice. I'm going to take a little bit of that dusk and go on just the edge of the outer corner here, just to marry those two edges. Maybe make sure that crease is okay. Yes. Would I like a little more pop in my shimmer? Yes, I'm not gonna lie. I would like a little more pop. But if you're looking for a soft shimmer, this is for you. Let's see, what shade did I not look at? This blush shade is pretty. Looks good. A little pink for my taste, but the right look, the right outfit. I did put a little bit of liner on my upper waterline. I have this one from BH. This is their Power Pencil. Let me go ahead and just edge it on the very edge here, just to give a little dimension, and then we will jump in with mascara. Goes on super easy, stays on very well. I've heard some great things about this mascara, so I'm really hopeful, if anything, just for my bottom lashes, because sometimes, especially since I started using, well, especially underneath the eye, and then now that I've started using the new lash serum, sometimes my eyelashes get so long on top that I'm getting dots. So maybe this will help with that, but I'm excited. Ultra volume tubing mascara, I love. It's a very pretty packaging they are going on. It's like a plum black. And let's check out the wand. This is what the wand looks like. Let's put this on. Okay, coat one. I see some length and volume. Nothing mind-blowing at this point, but I do like the way it is seeming to grab my lashes as I go through them. But I want to take my time on the first coat, and then I'll go in a little heavier on the second coat to see what it's really capable of. Okay, let's go in with coat number 2. Okay, I put a second, third-ish coat on the top lashes, put a couple coats on the bottom. I can't say I'm blown away on first impression. It did get a little bit clumpy. Maybe this is one that's not meant to be built up, because coat number 1 would be, I would think, would be fabulous for somebody that just wants a little natural mascara, but for somebody that really wants the bold lashes, it might not be good. Let me know if you have it and what you think about it, because it's a tubing mascara, and tubing mascaras are different in that when you wash them off, you don't use a makeup remover, you just use warm water and they slide off of your eyes. It looks a little bit weird. It looks like little tubes coming off. But the benefit is that it's not supposed to flake or run. So I think, if anything, if that is the case, this could be my new bottom lash mascara, but I will continue to use it. I want to add a little something into this inner corner, and then we can total everything up. I think I'm gonna go in with this matte vanilla shade. See if that shows up. Sure. Brow bone area. Final thoughts on the palette. My only complaint is that I feel like it comes off a lot pinkier than I first thought. This sunset color has way more pink tones to it. So these are very pink. Even this inner corner seems to tinge like a powder pink to me, which I don't love. I will continue playing with it. Mauves and pinks and purples are very, very trending right now, and I do enjoy this sunset look. And of course the browns, I mean, that's just easy. That's everyday, easy shades to go through. And then when you want those pops of pinks and purples and that deeper outer shade, you could even use that as a liner. I do think it is a nice palette. I just don't like it when the colors in the pans come off a little bit different on the eye. Even the shimmer, like to me that looks a little more, this violet sunset looks a little more fuchsia on the eye. But I do like the look, and I hope you do too. Let's go ahead and total up the value of this box. $37 for the eyeshadow palette, $40 for the goat milk moisturizer, $49 for the self-tan serum, $26 for the tubing mascara, and $24 for the body scrub. Totals $176 value. So for a $25 box, I think that is great. I am happy for these items. I am interested to play with these items. Like I said, this one, I'm a little bit concerned. If you have tried it and you have sensitive skin, please let me know. But the facial cleanser and the tanning firming oil, sure, that sounds like fun. And like I said, the pop-up of all the inexpensive items you can get, like I have the Fenty matte foundation on right now that I love. I got that on Boxycharm for, I don't know, $12. I think that's at least a $30, $40 foundation. I've gotten some beautiful items that are current makeup items. They don't just put on there the things that are retired and that you don't want. There are fun things in there. So just as a reminder, I will have the link to go check out Boxycharm in the description box. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I do have a whole Boxycharm playlist if you'd like to look at it. I've put together full faces. I have a lot of fun with Boxycharm. I do enjoy that subscription. There are some boxes that I love more than others, but I give this box 2 thumbs up. Speaking of which, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel. Share this video with somebody you think might enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.